Hey Goldie Squad, it's GoldieBlox, and guys, I have a very special video dropping on this channel this Thursday. Guys, it has slime, it has cats. I mean, what else do you need? Guys, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Okay, let's get on with the video. What's up, hackers? It's me, Goldie. Today is all about gingerbread houses. No, you cannot live in these DIYs. I know, I wish I could, but they're just meant for gingerbread people, so that's lit. They're not actually gingerbread because personally I find gingerbread to be very dry, very stale most of the time. It's kind of like an avocado, like it's great for like an hour and then it goes bad. It's time to hack your world. And for our first hack, we have LED gingerbread houses. Okay, so they look super plain right now. They look like a lunch, you know, that your mom made you. Adorable. But it's a fire in a paper bag. I was like looking at a paper bag and I was like, it's the look of a gingerbread house because it's brown, obviously. They don't go bad, you know, they don't go stale. LED gingerbread house, let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need paper bags, 3-volt lithium batteries, an LED, copper tape, ribbon, construction paper, paper clips, and a hole punch. First, attach the LED using the copper tape. Make sure you know which side is positive and which side is negative. Then, decorate your bag. Use a paper clip or just your fingers to complete the circuit. And last but not least, light it up, Yeah, just light it up. You do have to like complete the circuit because I put like a copper wire behind here. The copper wire, well, it's copper tape, and then the copper tape here. So all you have to do, pinch, and light is made. You can always use a trusty dusty paper clip. I don't know why I called it dusty. Okay, whatever. Like, you don't want your battery to die because if you're not using it for like a party or decoration, you can just kind of flip it up. Oh. And for our second hack, we have a gingerbread squishy. We all know that the holidays are super stressful. Like, literally everyone wants so many different things. Like Aunt Karen only wants bobby pins. Getting through it is definitely hard, like having those awkward family talks at the dinner table, like, oh, like how are your grades? And you're like, great. This will help you and keep you in the spirit. Gingerbread House Squishy. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need big sponges, regular sponges, 3D fabric paint, and a skewer. First, make your roof with the sponges. Paint with puff paint. Add your chimney and sides of the house. Now, decorate your house and squish away. So it could be decor if you really want it to be. And it's just like a great way to just be like, it's okay, it's okay. And if someone in your family is more stressed out than you know, you can just like put this in a box because they've been probably stressing out and not having this and they're probably going insane. So you're stressed out, but you know, you're still in the spirit. You know, squishing your stress away. Squish your stress away. Squishing the stress away. For our last hack, last but not least, we have my gingerbread house cake. Okay, so I am not the #1 fan of gingerbread, as I said before, but I had a lot of fun making this. This is a cake. There's no gingerbread house in it. So it's just a cake disguised as a holiday treat. I put some fondant over it, and then you just decorate it out. I made little like drapes and everything with like sour belts. Let's hack it. this DIY, you'll need a cake pan, cake mix and all the ingredients, frosting, a knife, fondant, candies, a rolling pin, and wax paper. First, bake 2 cakes, and the box should tell you how to do that part. Cut your cakes to make the shape of the house. Next, cover the entire house in frosting. Add fondant to make your siding, roof, and windows. Finally, decorate your cake with candies and go crazy on this part. This is all about creativity. Now that your gingerbread-inspired house is done, it's beautiful. I know what you're all been waiting for, the cutting open of the gingerbread house cake. So, I'm prepared. Obviously, it looks like peppermint because it's the holidays. So, you know, don't do this at home unless you're over 18 or you have a parent present. Okay, we do not want you to lose phalanges on this channel. Perfect. Okay, I just can't do it. I spent so much time on this, and like, there's a family in there. Like, I'm not a monster. Like, I don't home wreck, okay? Like, who am I to destroy this happy home? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every Friday. And we're making robots on Saturday. Comment down below what your favorite is. I think mine was definitely the LED Gingerbread House. It's super cute and it's just super easy to make. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Sadine Al-Ghafri. Thank you for making all of my DIYs. And guys, her whole room is full of DIYs and yours should be too, because literally mine is full of them. Like, I'm a hoarder. And if you make them, post them on Instagram and tag me at GoldieBlox so I can see them and you might get a repost. I actually love watching what you guys do with my DIYs, like how you interpret them and kind of make them your own, because I see DIYs, I make them my own, then I show you guys, and then you make it your own. It's like a beautiful chain of creativeness. And that is it for this video. Happy holidays, and GoldieBlox signing off. I seriously can't wait for you guys to see our new show on Thursday. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.